Guys, NCWQ here, and I have you looking at EMSC. And about an hour and 12 minutes ago, there was a 6.7 earthquake southeast of Loyalty Islands. It started out as a 7.0. We're going to look under latest data contributions on this earthquake. So we can see that it came in as 7.0. 6.2, 7.0, 6.7, 6.8, 6.1, 6.5, 6.5, 6.7, 6.9, 7.0, 7.0, 7.0, 6.6, 6.4, 7.0, 6.9, 6.7, and 5.8. So we're going to go look on Google Earth at where this earthquake is. And I believe this is the New Caledonia area as well. Hope that people down here are okay. So this is the area where this earthquake struck, and it's near Matthew Island. Matthew Island is a stratovolcano, and its isolated Matthew Island is composed of two low andesitic to dasitic cones separated by a narrow isthmus. Matthew Island was discovered in 1788 by a ship captain who named the island after the owner of his vessel. Only the triangular eastern portion of the small 0.6 by 12 kilometer wide island was present prior to the 1940s, when construction of the larger western seamount began. It consists primarily of lava flows. The 177 m high western cone contains a crater that is breached to the northwest and is filled by a lava flow whose terminus forms the northwest coast. So let's see if we can look closer at this area, which would be kind of cool. Can't really see too much here, but we can see over here. But don't get a very good look on this Google Earth. Anyway, this earthquake occurred here in this area, and we can see this is New Caledonia here. So from what I was reading, there is no cause for alarm. There is no earthquake. There is no tsunami that has been forecasted from this earthquake as far as Hawaii. If there's anything else, I'll bring more update. Anyways, I hope you all are doing well. Please be good to yourselves and each other. Much love.